How to view all comments you've ever made on YouTube videos on your mobile app. If you've ever wanted to go back and read through some of the comments you've made on some YouTube videos, but you don't know how, then I'm going to show you a way how to do this on your mobile device. Okay, straight into it. Now, this isn't actually possible through the YouTube app, so what you need to do is just close the app and then open up a browser such as Chrome. Then, if you navigate to youtube.com, make sure you're viewing the desktop site. So click on the three dots in the right hand corner there and then check this box, which I've done. Then, in the top left hand corner of the YouTube site, click on the three horizontal lines. And then scroll down until you see history. Then click on history. And so this is going to show you all of your watch history. You can go through and see which videos you've watched in the past. But if you look on the right hand side, it's got different types of history that you can view, and you can click on comments. And that's going to open up in the My Activity page. And as you can see here, it's got all of the comments I've ever made on YouTube videos. If you would like to delete any of your comments, you can click on the X box in the top right hand corner of the video and then click delete. And then that's removed that comment from that video. And that's all it takes to view all comments you've ever made on YouTube on your mobile device. If you found this video helpful, I'd love it if you liked the video, subscribe to my channel, and let me know in the comments if this worked for you. Thanks for watching.